हेलो एवरीवन, आप लोग सब कैसे हैं? उम्मीद करते हैं आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। तो आज हम लोग 11th का टेक्सोनॉमिकल एड्स के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो इस चैप्टर का ऑलरेडी पिछले वाला सेक्शन जो है ऑलरेडी यूट्यूब चैनल में दिया हुआ है। इफ यू स्किप दैट वीडियो और इफ यू मिस दैट वीडियो, प्लीज लुक बैक इनटू दैट दोज वीडियोस टू गेट अ कंप्लीट नॉलेज। ओके, एंड हम लोग का चैनल फटाफट से आप लोग साइन अप कर दीजिए, सब्सक्रिप्शन कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए। सो फटाफट आप लोगों को नोटिफिकेशन भी मिलता रहेगा इफ आई अपलोड एनी न्यू वीडियोस। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड वन मोर, प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन वीडियोस। सो चलिए आज हम लोग शुरू करते हैं टैक्सोनॉमिकल एड्स। नाउ once we come to the taxonomical aids, so ये जो टैक्सोनॉमिकल एड्स है ये एनसीईआरटी में भी दिया हुआ है, but that is not much more sufficient for the on the basis of NEET examination. Okay, so we have to go far from the NCERT examination. तो आज का डिस्कशन में हम क्या करेंगे, एनसीईआरटी को कवर करके भी हम लोग नीट के तरफ थोड़ा आगे बढ़ेंगे। तो क्या होगा, हम लोग का नीट भी कवर अप हो जाएगा और एनसीईआरटी भी डिफरेंटली कवर अप हो जाएगा। तो जो यहाँ पे एनसीईआरटी में दिया गया है तो वो भी हम लोग डिस्कशन कर लेंगे और जो एक्स्ट्रा हम लोग को जानना होगा वो भी हम लोग डिस्कशन कर लेंगे। सो स्पेशली टैक्सोनॉमिकल एड्स, स्पेशली यहाँ पे जो एड्स है इस एड्स के बारे में हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो हियर द एड्स मींस एक्चुअली इट्स अ टाइप्स ऑफ टूल्स। ओके, सो हियर व्हाट इज द एड्स? सो हियर वी कैन राइट इट इज द एक्चुअली द टाइप्स ऑफ टूल्स। So what is the function of these tools? These tools, it will actually helps us to identify such new plants or animals. Okay, so that's why what has happened, the taxonomical studies, actually the taxonomic studies of a various species and plants and animals and other organisms know the bioresource and the diversity. That means we are able to identify any organisms, okay, on the basis of the some taxonomical categories, and what are the tools it is helps us to identify any organism, to पहचान हम लोग उसको करेंगे, कैसे उसको हम लोग पहचानेंगे। ओके, तो इसके लिए जो हम लोग को टूल्स चाहिए, एक्चुअली दैट टुगेदरली इट्स कॉल्ड एज taxonomical aids. Now here the taxonomical aids, if we again much more discuss, in the case of the taxonomical aids, this requires actually, okay, a correct classification and identification collection of actual specimen and the plant of animal species. That means यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स के बारे में हम लोग को जानना होगा। तो हम लोग को क्या चाहिए, कुछ टूल्स चाहिए। हम लोग को क्या चाहिए, कुछ टूल्स चाहिए। जब हम लोग के पास टूल्स होगा तो आराम से हम लोग उसको पहचान सकते हैं। सो हियर वी नीड सम टूल्स। Without tools, it's very difficult to identify any plant or animal. Okay, बिना टूल के हिसाब में हम लोग प्लांट और एनिमल्स को हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते। लाइक सपोज सोचो तुमको हम एक लोहा दिए हैं and I asked you to cut the loha in that iron into a several pieces. So what you need? Okay, so that means you need some tools for cutting down that particular iron rod. तुमको हम सब्जी दिए हैं तो सब्जी काटने के लिए भी कुछ weapons और कुछ tools हमको चाहिए। That you know the knife is there. So here also we need some tool for the identification or scientific identification. Better we'll write over here. It's a scientific, here scientific identification for animals and plants. Okay. So for that one, what we need tools. And these are actually the taxonomical tools. And if we come to the taxonomical tools, so the various kinds of the taxonomical tools actually we are using. Especially if we come to the taxonomical tools, here we can consider the flora, manual, monograph, journal, catalog, herbarium, botanical garden, museum, zoological park and the key. So many are there. So यहाँ पे इतना सारा के अंदर में जो हर्बेरियम से लेके जोलॉजिकल पार्क है इतना तक ये एनसीईआरटी बुक में दिया गया है। तो हम लोग ये भी डिस्कशन करेंगे और एक्स्ट्रा हम लोग को क्या जानना पड़ेगा, दैट फ्लोरा, फौना, मोनोग्राफ, जर्नल, कैटलॉग एंड द की। that we have to learn these things for our NEET purposes and the AIMS purposes. For the examinations, for the competitive examinations, we have to understand those things. That means if we summarize what is the taxonomical tools or taxonomical aids, it means it's a tools. That tools enable us for a scientific identification of any kind of plant and animal species. Okay, so let's move into the next video or next slide. Now if we come to the next slides, if we going for the discussions of the first point, so यहाँ पे हम लोग सारा चीज को point wise discussion करेंगे. So first comes to the flora. So here flora, don't think that one, that means if the flora is there, definitely the fauna will be there. No, here the flora, it don't mean that one, the flora and fauna. It's actually a book. Okay, so here actually the flora is means it's a book. It's also a tool. It helps for the taxonomical identification purposes. It's also one kind of the taxonomical aids. So it's a book. It actually gives the idea of a defined geographical area or habitat. So suppose over here, the geographical condition of the entire state of India, it's not equal. So where if you get the hilly regions like our Jammu Kashmir, our Darjeelings, over there the cold climatic condition. Next, if we comes to our southern India, like our Kerala, they are more or less, they have the maximum amount of the rainfall. And if you come to the central portions, they are actually the dry regions. If you go to the Gujarat regions, the Rajasthan region, it's a completely the dry region. So the geographical distributions, it also differs, and the weather climatic conditions is also differs in the different geographical condition. So suppose if we think about a particular area, so which kind of the plant it will be available in that particular area if the plant area is dry area. So suppose think about the your hilly region, sorry, this is your think about the Rajasthan or Gujarat. So definitely this is a dry region. If it is a dry region, so definitely you will not get coconut tree over here. Definitely you will not get, because for the coconut we need that one, there should be presence of a salt. Okay, salt concentration in that soil should be high. Then only the coconut tree can grow on that region very nicely. So that is possible in the case of the coastal region only. But in the Rajasthan and the Gujarat is some part coastal region, but the Rajasthan is not the coastal area. So over here you can't expect there will be a coconut tree. You can expect which plants? You can expect dates. You can expect our cactus. Okay, this you can expect in that particular region. So same way, there is also examples I have given over here. It's a Flora of Delhi. It's actually a book. In this book, actually what is written? In this book, actually the plant species available in that particular geographical region, that is Delhi only. That's why the book name is actually given the Flora of Delhi. And that book is actually written by the J.K. Maheshwari. And remind, the flora is actually its books. It includes the idea about only plant. It includes the idea about only plant. Here no animals are included. So here यहाँ पे flora book Delhi के अंदर में कोई animals of the Delhi ये included नहीं है. What are the plants are actually available in the Delhi that are actually included in this book, the Flora of Delhi. जो किससे जरिया लिखा गया है? It is written by the J.K. Maheshwari. I hope so it's clear. So next move into the manuals. So once we come to the manuals, so what is the manuals? The manuals are actually, they gives a description of plants that are found in the area. Okay, what I told, they gives a description of a plant that are found in a geographical region. Okay, so suppose here, if I write a book name, the manual of aquatic plants. Okay, so the manual of aquatic plants, that means in this book, whatever the natures of the aquatic plants, it will be written in this book, because it's actually includes the manual of aquatic plant. So suppose if I replace this aquatic plant with a terrestrial plant, that means in that book, whatever the characteristics features of the terrestrial plant, it will be included there. So that's why the manuals are actually, they're the useful tools for providing information or identification of names of species that are found in an area along with the description. Okay, suppose in your area, suppose in your area name is X. So in your area X, the different varieties of the aquatic plants are present, and that based upon that one we can write a book. That book name is the Manual of Aquatic Plants. Suppose in your area X area the terrestrial plants are present, so here we can write the Manual of Terrestrial Plants. So if we in that book, what will include the aquatic plants, all varieties of the aquatic plant that is available in that X area, it will include there. So that means they gives a description about this aquatic plants along if they are, because it's found in your area. So जाहिर सी बात है यहाँ पे तुम्हारे एरिया में मिलेगा, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को डिफरेंट टाइप्स का कॉमन नेम भी मिलेगा हम लोग को. सो यहाँ पे और क्या होगा, हम लोग को और पर्टिकुलरली आइडेंटिफिकेशन में और ज्यादा मदद मिलेगा. So that's why it's also an important tool in the taxonomical categories and taxonomical aids. Next is the monograph. So the monograph is actually, it particularly contain information of regarding any particular one taxon. So here they are not giving an idea all about the all varieties of the plants. Especially they are focusing or they are giving information based up of one particular one taxon. So examples I have given over here, the monograph of genus Avena. So this is the genus. This is the genus. So that means in this book, whatever the plants actually they have the genus Avena, they will be included in this book. So this Avena is nothing but the scientific name of the oats, जो हम लोग एज अ डाइट हम लोग खाते ही रहते हैं यहाँ पे, तो उसका जो साइंटिफिक नेम है उसका जेनस है अवीना. तो ये जो मैनोग्राफ ऑफ जेनस अवीना, इस बुक में किसके बारे में हम लोग को इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, यहाँ पे हम लोग को मिलेगा इंफॉर्मेशन दोस प्लांट्स बिलोंग्स टू जेनस अवीना, सिर्फ इसी के बारे में हम लोग को इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा और दूसरा कोई प्लांट्स के बारे में हम लोग को इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलेगा. यहाँ पे जेनस जो मैंगीफेर है उसके बारे में हम लोग को नहीं इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, जो क्यूकरबिट्स है उसके बारे में हम लोग को इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलेगा. दैट इज द मैनोग्राफ. सो दैट मींस द मैनोग्राफ्स एक्चुअली दे आर मोर स्पेसिफिक. इफ वी कम, दे आर मोर specific. Why? Because they are giving idea about a more taxon. Correct? A particular one taxon they are giving idea. That's the thing. Next is the journal. So the journal, इसका मतलब क्या है? Suppose जो कोई साइंटिस्ट एक प्लांट्स के ऊपर में रिसर्च कर रहा है, तो that is actually he can publish in the form of journal. So that's why the result of ongoing research. तो suppose जो कोई साइंटिस्ट रिसर्च कर रहा है, तो वो रिसर्च से हम लोगों को भी कुछ मदद मिल सकता है फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन. So that's why we can also consider the journal as a taxonomical aids. So examples here it's given flora. Okay, so the flora here, this flora and this flora, it's not the same one. Here the journal paper name actually given flora. Okay, it's clear. So next one is the catalogs. So once we come to the catalog, so here what is the catalog? Catalog, it means a small booklet which gives an account of the special books of botanical titles, full name of author, their publication present in a particular given area. That means what will happen? There will be one small booklet. In that booklet, what will be there? In that booklet, what are the plants are actually available in that particular given area. Suppose in Delhi, what are the plants are actually available in the Delhi, along with who has published or who have written that book. That author name will be also there. Along with that one, suppose here you can write Maheshwari. Along with that one, what are the publications are going to publish this book? Their name will be also in that book. It will catalog. It will be there. So मतलब क्या है, कॉमन जो हम लोग बुक देखते रहते हैं मार्केट में, कोई एक सपोज एटलस का बुक ले लिए, कोई छोटा सा एनिमल्स का बुक ले लिए, तो वहां पे देखते हैं हम लोग क्या है उसके बारे में, ये एनिमल्स ऑफ दिस एरिया, plants of this area, it's written, and after that some author name is written, some publication name is written. So that actually comes under the catalog. It's clear? Okay. So, and what are the next one? In the next one, actually these are the topics of the herbarium, and these are the topics of also NCERT. So that we will do in the next video. Till then, thank you and goodbye.